Hi, this is Roger Conrad. I'm editor of Canadian Edge. First, I want to welcome all our new subscribers and just make a couple of points for new and old subscribers. A good way to get started with our recommendations is to buy the high yields of the month. There's generally 2 of them every month. Buy those and then continue doing that over a period of time till you get the number of recommendations you want. Another way is to take a look at the portfolios. The conservative portfolio, of course, are companies that are not tied to energy prices in terms of their dividends. And the aggressive portfolio are companies that have dividends that are tied to energy prices. Pick a mix of those things and start averaging in. I would buy some now, some a month from now, and some maybe a month down the road. You know, the biggest issue right now, and I get this from people, new and old subscribers alike, is what's going on with the 2011 conversions. And basically, we've been presenting information on this over the past several months. It's still a quite bullish situation. In the last month, we had 10 conversions, or announced conversions. 9 of those 10 involved keeping the dividend the same after the conversion. So a very bullish event for shareholders. We're seeing appreciation from those. And I think overall, the companies that have yet to convert, and there are 8 still in the Canadian Edge portfolio. There's a list of those at the end of the portfolio update section in the April issue. Only 8 of our companies out of the 33 have not given us some sort of declaration on what their dividend is going to be after conversion. So we're getting a lot of certainty there. We're getting a lot of clarity. The market's starting to respond, and I think those 8 that remain to convert are going to give us some good news too. So we've got earnings coming up. If you look also in that portfolio section, portfolio update article in the April issue, you'll see a listing of when some of these earnings announcements are going to be made. And these are coming up pretty soon. This is going to be a much faster earnings season, first quarter, than the fourth quarter and full year 2009 was. Of course, that's stretched out over a very long period of time. This earnings season is going to basically be over and done with in about 3 weeks. And we're going to be reporting on these earnings in flash alerts and also in the regular May issue as that comes out. So we're going to be keeping on top of this. We're expecting a large number of new announcements for earnings releases. With the earnings releases, a lot of new announcements regarding dividends in 2011, conversion plans, and so forth. I want to call your attention to a flash alert we just sent out on Provident. That firms up their situation to some extent, although they have not given us a post-conversion dividend. They're becoming pretty much an all-infrastructure company. Shareholders are going to get a piece of 2 companies, one an intermediate producer, the other an infrastructure company with a focus on natural gas liquids. I think both are takeover targets. I think both are going to grow well on their own if there's no takeover. And I think Provident is an excellent buy here up to 8. It's getting pretty close to our target here of 8. But if you can get it below that price, I think it's an excellent time to do that. So that's all I have to say today. Thanks for tuning in. I'll look forward to chatting with you next time.